Hi guys, I just came back from outside. Today I have a wedding function to attend. So I will show you guys how I get ready for that wedding function. I will show you the look. Before going to the function, I feel like my face feels very dull. So I have booked a facial appointment at home using Urban Company. So let's see when they come, and so let's wait for the agent to come. The Urban Company agent has arrived. Facial felt very relaxing because I did it at home. So if you guys interested, do check out the Urban Company and book your own salon service at home. So the link is in the description. Don't forget to check it out. So yeah guys, the facial done. So I will go and take a head bath. Then I will get ready for the function today. So I will be back after washing my hair. Hi guys, I washed my hair and I took a bath. Now let's start the makeup. So first I'm doing this skincare, then I will start with the makeup. First toning my face with rose water, then applying a face serum. After that I apply a moisturizer, gel type moisturizer. Then I will finish off with the lip balm. First I am applying Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus foundation. Applying it all over my face and blending it with a brush. This foundation is in the shade of neutral medium. After blending it, applying a second coat all over my face and neck and blending it again. After blending it, I am using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade light medium beige. Applying it and blending it using my fingers. Then I am setting my foundation with Lakme loose powder. After setting my face, I am filling my eyebrows using Mars eyebrow palette. For eyeshadow, I am using this Wet n Wild Comfort Zone eyeshadow palette. Using a transition shade on my crease, it was a light brown color. Then I am using this green color which is matching to my saree which I am wearing on my lip. Then I am using the same transition shade and blending both the colors. After that, I'm placing a black eyeshadow on my outer corner and blending it inside. Curling my lashes with a lash curler. Then I'm using this Lakme eyeliner. For kajal, I am using Lakme Iconic Kajal. Then blending the kajal with the flat brush. Contouring my face using this sugar palette. After that, I am using the Stay Quirky blush. For highlighter, I am using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Then I'm using this purple HD mini lipstick. Now it's time to change the costume. This is the final makeup look. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Products link will be given in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Thanks for watching my video guys. We'll meet you guys in next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye guys.